So welcome and thank you for tuning in to another video from Thoughtful Programmer. I'm John, and this is actually the introductory video for this series of videos. I have been blogging for many years at thoughtfulprogrammer.com, and I felt it was time that I should change over from the written word to the video, join the 21st century. So that's really what I'm doing here. I have been a programmer in one sort or another since 1980 when I graduated from college. My undergraduate degree was actually in electrical engineering, but I quickly gravitated towards software. I have programmed in assembly language, in embedded software, in microcontrollers and microprocessors. I have created productivity software for personal computers using programming languages starting with C, then using C++. I've done web-based programming using Java and most recently JavaScript. I've done an awful lot of business programming using software suites, business process management suites. I've actually been a product manager for a software application from a major software producer. And throughout all of that time, in my heart, I've always considered myself to be a programmer. And I'm actually pretty proud to be a programmer. I find that programmers are remarkably generous people. If you have a problem as a programmer and you need help, I guarantee you that that help is out there. That help is just a Google search away. People are so generous. Whenever people learn something, they inevitably share it in some way, either through a blog or a video. Many people have open source projects out on GitHub and places like that. It's phenomenal the way that programmers support each other. And this is my own attempt to try to give back to the community. These videos will not be particularly technical. They're really more thought-oriented, thoughtful programmer. Because really that's kind of what interests me. If I were to be anything other than a programmer, I probably would have been a psychologist. I'm just fascinated about how people think and how people interact with each other. And I think when you look at programming and the challenges that we have in our industry, the challenges that we have to be craftsmen, to produce good output, it's really, a lot of it is tied up with dynamics between people and the way people think and preconceptions that people get. So that's what this series of videos will be about. I will start off with something that relates to the process of programming in some way and then try to extract something of use from that and share it with you in the hopes that it'll be useful for you too. I love it when people comment. I particularly love it when we get a discussion thread going, because once again, I think that's where we really learn. So if you agree with what I say, leave a comment. If you don't agree, absolutely leave a comment so that we can get a discussion going, so that we can come to some sort of mutual agreement. Anyway, once again, thanks for your time. Thanks for tuning in. And I hope these are useful to you. Have a great day.